has collected many shells and wished to make a colorful shell necklace. Let's help. Find out the intact shells. The shells are all clean. Next, let's mix some pretty colors and color the shells. Pour the paints of 2 colors to get a new color. Choose yellow, red, orange, yellow, red, orange. Magic color flakes. The colors are all mixed. Let's color the shells. Let's look at the color on the magic paper. Choose the props of the same color as shown on the magic paper. Let's start coloring. Yellow, purple, light yellow, red, light purple, blue, purple, light yellow, yellow, red, light purple, blue, Our friend wants to make colored cakes. Let's do it together. Let's make cake mixture first. magic book is broken. Let's fix it. Let's clean the magic book first. Of the magic book has faded. Let's mix some pretty colors and restore the painting. Blue. Red. Yeah! Purple. White. Yellow. Light yellow. Magic color flakes. The colors are all mixed. Let's color the magic book.